The Philippines in the 1940s. Life after the war.
Part 22. The University of Santo Tomas, after the war, September 1945. Abandoned P-38 planes at remote World War II Buri airstrip, Leyte, 1946. A Japanese Nakajima fighter aircraft that was mounted on a pole at Clark Air Force Base after World War II. A busy scene in Plaza Goiti, August 1946. Escolta from across the Pasig River, August 1946. The Quezon Institute 80th General Hospital area, located about 2 miles east of Manila, post-war, June 1945. A street scene in Escolta, Manila, August 1946. The fate of the tranvia after World War II. The Atomic Bomb Variety Show in Manila, November 1945. Pesos pile up for the ice cream vendor at fiesta time. The celebration of the liberation of Pateros, 1946. At the Bilibid prison in Manila after liberation, 1945. Nelly Ordonez, one of hundreds of Filipino employees at the Pacific Air Command, U.S. Army HQ, is shown asking General Eisenhower for his autograph, 1946. Rehabilitation works at the Philippine National Bank and Masonic Temple Building at Escolta, August 1946. Philippine President Sergio Osmeña with Mexican airmen that served in the Philippines during World War II, August 1945. Street scene, Rizal Avenue, post-World War II. President Rojas, in all smiles, is surrounded by cabinet spouses in their native Balintawak dresses during the annual Christmas party at Malacañang Palace, 1947. Vehicles and pedestrians, Rizal Avenue, 1949. The Astor Theater located at Plaza Santa Cruz in Manila, post-war.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.